Hi flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist, and I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I generally teach you how you can start your own skincare business and how you can make your own skincare products at home. So if this is something that you are interested in and you would like to join the family and see more of these videos, make sure you subscribe down below and watch our other videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining or talking to you about how emulsifiers are different, right? In this video, I'm going to explain different kinds of or types of emulsifiers, what they do and how best you can use them. Okay, a lot of people believe that emulsifier is just ewax. So once they put ewax, they have it all figured out, but that's not the case at all. Emulsifiers differ for different purposes. Okay, they give different results, and in this video I'm going to touch lightly on some of these results and how to use them. So if you're interested in this video and you want to learn more about your emulsifiers and how you can use them, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Hi best friends, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you how you can take your skincare game from 0 to 100, how you can make your skincare products at home. So if these are things that you are interested in, you definitely want to keep on watching. Now, the first thing I'm going to touch on is what is an emulsifier, right? An emulsifier is any substance that can be used to stabilize an emotion, especially when you are trying to stabilize two unlikely substances. For example, you're trying to merge together an oil and water to create, one product. Naturally, your oil and water will mix together, but after a while, you see that it separates. Now, what keeps your water and oil stable in an emulsion is called an emulsifier. So in cosmetics, an emulsifier is any ingredient that can help to keep unlike ingredients together or unlike substances together. Now, there are different kinds of emulsifiers. Now, we have the anionic emulsifiers, which are negatively charged, and we have the cationic emulsifiers, which are positively charged, and we have the non-ionic emulsifiers. These are emulsifiers that have no charge at all, and then we have the polymeric emulsifiers. Okay, I'm going to try to leave a small note here for you guys to see. I hope my screen has enough space. In the category of emulsifiers that have been listed here, we also have natural emulsifiers, naturally derived emulsifiers, we have organic emulsifiers, and we also have synthetic emulsifiers. Now, I'm going to list some examples of different kinds of emulsifiers, and I'm going to try to touch on them for you to have an idea of what they are. We have Montanov 68, which is a non-ionic emulsifier, and it has a high hydrophilic and lipophilic balance. Montanov 68 is best suitable for oil in water emulsions. Now, this particular kind of emulsifier helps to build viscosity. Okay, it helps to give your emulsion body. It helps to build viscosity, and it also comes in a waxy or a pellet form. Okay. Next, we have Dermophil Easy Molds Plus. This emulsifier is also high in hydrophilic and lipophilic balance. It has a high hydrophilic and lipophilic balance. It comes in a liquid form and it is best used in your oil in water emulsions. This particular emulsifier helps to stabilize your emulsion. It helps create stability in your emulsion. And because it comes in a liquid form, it is not very, it won't give you a lot of thickness, it won't give you a lot of viscosity in your product, but it helps to give a milky consistency. So if you are trying to make your milky products like your body milks and all of that, you can definitely use this particular emulsifier because it creates a very beautiful milky consistency. And because it comes in a liquid form, it is best used as a co-emulsifier, meaning you have to use a waxy emulsifier alongside with it, or other emulsifying agents or thickeners to help to create a more thicker cream if that's what you're looking for. Next, we have glyceryl stearate. Okay, like I said, I'm going to try to leave all the information here for you guys to see. We have glyceryl stearate, which is also a non-ionic emulsifier, and it has a lower hydrophilic or lipophilic balance. Now, this particular emulsifier comes in a waxy to powder form, and it is best used in water in oil emulsions. Now, remember, we have water in oil emulsions and we have oil in water emulsions, okay? Now, this particular kind of emulsifier helps to build viscosity in your product. So you can also use it as a co-emulsifier to help build your viscosity. Now we have the Alicel 1689 emulsifier, and it is made by Croda. It is a non-ionic emulsifier that is used in water in oil emulsions. It comes in a liquid form and it assists in the stability of your product. It also helps to create a very beautiful milky product, and it is water in oil. So next we have Benton Lux WO, which is made by Elementis. This is a polymeric emulsifier, which means that it is an all-round emulsifier. Benton Lux WO is best suited to be used in a water in oil emulsion. It comes in a paste form, and it helps to build viscosity and stability in your product. So you can definitely use it with other waxy emulsifiers that are compatible, and you will get a very beautiful viscosity and stability in your product. Now we also have a very popular one, which is stearic acid. I know a lot of you know stearic acid. Stearic acid has a high HLB and it is a non-ionic emulsifier. Now, it can be used as a co-emulsifier to help build viscosity, stability, and body in your emulsion. Now, this particular kind of emulsifier comes in a waxy B. Next, we have Aminosensil Ultra NB. This is a cationic emulsifier. Now, any emulsifier that is cationic has conditioning properties in them, so you can definitely use them in your daytime moisturizers. You can use them in your hair creams or hair conditioners. It's very good with softening the skin and just basically giving you that conditioning effect. Now, this particular emulsifier comes as a waxy pellet. Like I said, you can use it as a co-emulsifier if you are looking for conditioning properties. You can definitely use this particular emulsifier combined with other compatible emulsifiers, and you can definitely use this emulsifier for your hair creams if you're looking for moisture and conditioning properties. The next emulsifier that I have here is Sepi Plus emulsifier, which is made by Sepic. Now, this emulsifier is a polymeric emulsifier. It is a multifunctional ingredient. It comes in a liquid form and it helps to build extra creaminess in your product. So if you're looking for that creamy effect, you can definitely combine this with other compatible emulsifiers to create a nice stable emulsion. Now, ionic emulsifiers like the cationic and anionic emulsifiers are affected by low temperature, whereas the non-ionic emulsifiers, these are the emulsifiers that have no charge at all, no negative charge, no positive charge. They don't have any charge at all. They are affected by high temperature. Now, when making oil and water emulsions, I will recommend that you use both ionic and non-ionic emulsifiers to get a better stability in your emulsion. Now, on the other hand, when you're making water in oil emulsions, it is best to use low hydrophilic lipophilic balance emulsifier that is waxy and a low hydrophilic and lipophilic liquid emulsifier together to create a more stable emulsion that will give you a better performance. Now, for your conditioning products, make sure you are using a cationic emulsifier and a high non-ionic HLB emulsifier. This will help give you a better viscosity and a more stable conditioner. Now remember that cationic emulsifiers are not compatible with anionic emulsifiers, so you can't use them together. Otherwise, you will not get a stable emulsion. It is also very important to use blended emulsifiers. These emulsifiers that have more than one inky name. That way you will have a more stable, you don't have to go and use a lot of different emulsifiers because they have already blended emulsifiers that will help to keep your product stable and give you a better performing product. Okay, so yeah, these are just a few of this is just a peek into emulsifiers and how they differ and how you can choose and pick and blend emulsifiers together to get a better performing product. Now, if you like to learn more about the basics of skincare formulation, you want to learn about your ingredients, you want to learn about your different tools, you just want to have the basic background or basic guide to cosmetic formulation, then you definitely want to buy our ebook. Our ebook is 10,000 naira and it is available on our website. You can use the link down in the description bar to get our ebook on our website, or you can use the link to get to us on WhatsApp to order any of our skincare trainings. We have different trainings for different purposes. We have the hydroquinone course, which is available and ready for you. Once you pay, the information will be sent to you to study on your own, and we are always available to answer questions and also assist you as much as we can. We also have our specialist training, which is an emulsion course. We teach you a lot of different kinds of emulsions, how to make different kinds of emulsions, and how to make different kinds of skincare, skin brightening, lightening, skin enhancement products. We have different courses. We also have one-on-one courses. If you are available, you want to take a one-on-one course with us, you can definitely reach out to us using the link in the description bar to get to us on WhatsApp, and we'll give you all the information that you need. We also offer customized skincare production, private labeling. This is for both self-use and for your business, so we can definitely help you develop products and manufacture for you in whatever quantity that you're looking at. And all you have to do is put your name on the products and sell to your market. We have a lot and lots of goodies. And I also want to announce that we are going to have our very first Christmas sale. This particular sale has been in the works for a while, and I want to tell you that we haven't had any sale like this ever before. This particular sale is going to be a big one because we are going to be having, it's going to be my birthday stroke Christmas sale. Okay, so if you have not stocked up on any of our products, if you have been using our products and you want to stock up for the Christmas, or you want to stock up for a while, because see, dollar is not smiling with us, so we are not going to have any sales anytime soon after this one. So if I were you, I would take this opportunity and grab on this sale. It is going to be a 36% off sale on selected items. All the list and information about the sale will be out. The sale will start on the 1st of December. So if I were you now, I will start pre-ordering because the sale is going to be for just 1 week. So better start putting your money together. We're trying to do this to appreciate you guys for all the hard work that you have been putting in with us, staying on here with us for this long, and we really do appreciate you. So that is why this sale is coming, and I also want to celebrate my birthday with you guys. So yeah, if you are been looking to use any of our products, but you haven't had the opportunity, this is the time for you to try out our products at a discount. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you have any video ideas, please leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. If it was informative, if it was educating to you, please leave your comment in the comment section. And if you have further questions about the skincare ingredients and you want me to talk about them, please leave your comment in the comment section and I will be happy to do another video to explain better to you guys. This video was requested by one of you. You wanted to know the difference kinds of emulsifiers, and this is the best way that I can explain it to you to understand. So if you have any further questions, please leave your questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. If you haven't subscribed up till now, please take this time to subscribe. Down below, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was entertaining, educative, and informative. And if you would like to be one of the first people to see our videos whenever we post them, please turn on the post notification up there. Is it up? No, it's down. Please turn on the notification bell down below so you are one of the first people who sees our videos. You can binge watch all of our informative and very well packed videos that have a lot of information for you guys to start if you are just starting or if you like to learn. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. An idea on, kinds of type. Hey, kinds of type.